Visual Call Park on HP Poly Rove handsets allows users to quickly pick up a voice call using a line key. This ease of use is important, especially in busy environments such as retail. Before using Visual Call Park, check with your service provider to make sure your provisioning is correctly configured. While on a voice call, select line key 1 to line key 4 to park the call. Some providers may give you a voice message indicating your call is parked, and others will simply disconnect your handset and park the call. Other users on the network will now see there is a call parked by the lighted line key on their handset. On a Rove 20, a visual indicator will show on the screen. Once they select the line key, they will see additional information on the screen and have the option of picking up the call. Desk phones in the organization will also have the option of picking up the parked call. Once they pick up the call, other handsets will no longer have that option. For additional information on HP Poly Rove handsets, please visit hp.com.